How to delete apps on an iPhone. If your iPhone is running out of space or you just want to clean up your home screen, I'll show you how to delete apps in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. The easiest way to delete an app is directly from the home screen. Just find the app you want to delete and press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. From there, simply tap on Remove App. Now select Delete App and confirm by tapping Delete. If you tap Remove from home screen, the app will stay in the app library but won't be deleted. Now, if you want to delete multiple apps or check storage uses, follow these steps. Open Settings and simply go to General. From there, go to iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and select the app you want to remove. Simply tap on it, and you can simply tap Delete App to simply delete the app. If you see a float app, this will remove the app but keep its data so you can reinstall it later without losing your info. And that's it. Now you know how to delete apps on an iPhone.